how to add or remove call and text on other devices to quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the pencil icon or the edit button, and then tap on edit. Next, we go down to the available buttons section and swipe across. In here, tap on call and text on other devices. So tap on the button and it will be added to your quick settings panel. From here, tap on done, then tap on done again. And finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Now, if you swipe down at the top to open up your notifications or open up your quick settings panel in here, you can see that if I swipe down to fully open up quick settings, I can now tap on call and text on other devices, and that will quickly take me to this screen here. Okay, so let's open it again. So I need to tap on this, and that's it. It is now set up. So if I tap on it, I can now switch it on or turn it off. I can touch and hold on the button to allow me to quickly go to this settings page where I can customize the other settings. And that's it. To remove it from the quick settings panel, go into this page and then tap on the pencil icon, then tap on edit, and then we scroll down and tap on the remove button, then tap on done, then tap on done, and that's it. It is now removed from quick settings. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.